Morning, guys. It's around 6:45. 15 minutes till we hit the golf course. Trying to get there early before the high heat comes. Everyone's getting ready. Razzo's ready. Razzo's friggin' pro right now. Really early. But you gotta do what you gotta do to play a good round of golf.
Good, Dan. Take a step back from the ball. You guys hitting 3 woods? Yeah.
Okay, first time golfing. Myrtle Beach, golf capital of the world. I think me and Dan,
Currently beating Dan.
kind of first time golfers, beating pros, self-proclaimed pros, Pat Connolly, Danny Razzo.
Check out my short game.
Okay, yeah, keep talking.
Don't put down the story.
Ew. Okay, that's going on the story. All right, we're on the back nine. Pretty good. After I started smoking a cigar, I think my game got better. So, I'm pulling up. Hang on. I'll show you guys where my ball went. It's pretty good. First time golfing. So, pretty proud of myself. Hang on. There's a hole. There's my ball. Wait, no. There it is. Hole. Ball. Not bad, not bad. Dan Cruz, the shot of a lifetime. Gets it on the edge of the water from across the pond. Hole's there. Great shot, Dan. Great shot. Oh my god! That was ready. Oh baby! Professional. Oh yeah!
Great way.
Woohoo! Pat, kiss it. See how much you got left of that, Pat? There's nothing left.
Plenty.
Quiet. Oh my god!
It is going up tonight. I mean, I can't really stop it. Yeah.
Give me the one.
Yeah, get that. We gotta make sure.
Oh my god!
Meat lovers pop.
Oh my! Open her up.
Crack it up.
Oh
yeah.
That's Hawaiian.
The fuck.
They
They
actually have fire Hawaiian. Like, I'm not lying.
boy.
It's like the
Oh my god!
The Hawaiian.
Pizza.
Yes.
More close.
The rabbit vote.
I'm jumping on the table to do it. I'm gonna flatten it.
Flatten that shit. Why?
Flat. Give it a bump. Give it a drop. Yeah.